Hi everybody, Nick here again. I am in front of the house I've showed you a couple weeks back when it was in when we just took it over, but now it is almost done. In other words, we got another week of improvements, finished flooring, outlets, bathrooms, new vanities and stuff like that, and it will be ready. However, because the contractor is actually running a little bit late with their work, and I was expecting them to finish this weekend, I scheduled open house, so I held open house on the construction. So anyway, here we are in beautiful Buena Park. Right behind us, Knott's Berry Farm. I don't know if you can see it, but walking distance straight in this beautiful cul-de-sac, which is, look at just this street. Look. I used to play on this street when I was a kid. Just a moment ago, kids stopped playing soccer. This is just such a peaceful, beautiful place. Down in the corner is a little passage, and you get down on Western and hit it one block, and you're in Knott's Berry Farm. Knott's Berry Farm has the village, which is open to the public without buying the ticket to Knott's Berry Farm. So it's a great place to go out in the evening, just mingle with people, have a dinner. And then a block over is Beach Boulevard with all its entertainment and restaurants. So it's walking distance to everything that matters here. Here we have the house. One car garage. All paint is done. Flooring is 2/3 done. Here's the living room, and the living room ties into patio / man cave. So we used to have a ping pong table and a pool table here. When it's always cool here in the house. There's no air conditioning needed. There's one wall unit in case of really high heat, but otherwise it's never used. There's a nursery right across, so there's no neighbors on that side. There's a nice big yard here. That orange tree is always giving oranges in the same quantity. Crazy. And the neighbor has this lemon tree that leans over, so lemons, you can pick the ones that are on this side. All right, now this part here is the old house. This is an addition, so you can see the windows are dual pane on the addition. Going back in. Living room, den area. Used to have a kitchen table right under the lamp here. Kitchen window and the kitchen. Very neat, clean, neat. We finished the cabinets. They're all like brand new. And the stove had to come out so we can put the tile down. The refrigerator hookups and the washer dryer hookups. In the back here through the kitchen is another gate, a little trash enclosure, your own private trash enclosure, and then it goes back to the yard. Here's the family room entrance. We'll take it from inside. Going straight through the hallway. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Family room with a fireplace. Very cool place, a lot of room, bookshelf, and a large closet. Then these 2 rooms here, these are additions, so they have newer windows, dual pane. All doors are done, all just waiting for the flooring. And then let's call it the master bedroom, the largest bedroom in the house. Again, doors all painted, and we're working on this bathroom with the shower. So new vanities coming in here, new light, and new shower fixtures. All right, so, and it has a beautiful room view of the yard. So that would be that. Once it's completed and done, it'll be beautiful.